Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I am here at the Woonsocket Public Library and they are kind enough to let me use their Charlie cart to make you a delicious recipe. Today I am going to show you how to make my corn salsa. I wanted to show you something that you can make that's really affordable, that's delicious, that stores really well. So what better way than to make corn salsa? So I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to need to achieve this. It's very inexpensive and the flavors are just on point and delicious. So let's get into it. Okay, so to make this, you're going to need some salt and pepper, a lime, a green apple, corn that I already cooked yesterday, a red onion, 2 tomatoes, a jalapeno, and some cilantro. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, everything has already been washed and dried. I am going to cut up my tomatoes, and how big you want them, totally up to you. I'm just going to dice them, and it would help if I didn't have the world's dullest knife. Okay, my tomatoes are nicely chopped. It's just a rough chop. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not going to judge you. Don't worry. So I'm going to do probably like a quarter of the red onion, not too much. I have a large one here, so we're going to not put too much. I'm just going to take this off. I have yet to meet an onion that has not made me cry. I'm going to do about half a jalapeno because I can't take that much heat. And I do remove the seeds. If you leave the seeds in, it's going to give you more of a kick, but I do not want that because I like being able to breathe. Alright, we're going to just dice this finely. And do not touch your eyes. Okay, I'm gonna add that into the tomato mixture, and the colors here are just divine. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna peel my Granny Smith apple, and we're gonna chop it up. Also, I've had the flu like maybe 2 weeks ago, and I'm still feeling like this. Like I'm totally fine. I feel fine. So what I have here is some corn. It's just one corn that I broke in half, and I cooked this yesterday for 2 reasons. One, I can't cook it here, unfortunately, and two, I didn't want this to be hot or remotely warm when I put it into my salsa, if that makes any sense. You want it to be pretty cold, so I just cook it the night before. I cooked mine in boiling water. You can do yours on the grill or however you like. And all I do is just go down like so. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the back of your knife, okay, carefully, and you're just gonna push down, and you're gonna get all the juice. Carefully, guys. It out. You see the juice spraying. That's exactly what you want. It'll make a little bit of a mess, but you know what? It'll give you a really delicious outcome. So I'm gonna add in my corn. Okay, before we go any further, I just want to show you. Can you see the colors in here? Like already. And then when we add the cilantro, I can't. All right. Go ahead and add in my cilantro. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add this into my salsa. And then we are going to be on a mission for a spoon, like a mixing spoon. And then what I'm going to do before I go in and add the lime juice is just kind of give this a rough toss. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add in some lime juice. I'm going to start with half. And then we're going to give it a try and see how we like it. Okay. Give this a nice toss. Okay. And then I'm just going to finish it off with some salt and pepper. Tomatoes love salt. Don't be stingy on your salt. And I'm going to give this a taste to see if it needs anything else. I'm gonna give this a taste test because we can. I want a little bit of everything on here. That wasn't ladylike at all, so I apologize. But oh my god. Literally, oh my gosh. So good. So fresh. It's honestly, it doesn't get any better. Don't stinge on the apples. Make sure you add them in. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, I would not tell you to do something unless I wholeheartedly believe that it would make the dish 10 times better. So, as always, you can head over to thelazygirlskitchen.com for the written recipe. Thank you so much to the Woonsocket Public Library for allowing me to use this beautiful space. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.